long day of school. Kids, I'm home! Uncle Jerry, where are the kids? Taking them out to dinner tonight, is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
You're
taking us out for dinner?
Yeah, I am, because I'm your favorite older sister.
Sweet! Wait, you're our only older sister.
Just go with it.
He's shown some really good wheels tonight. That's his second or third quality chance. So here it is, just hard work to pick up the pass. That's got to go deep. Nice little feed all the way through to Siratani. He just battles them away.
God, how good was that dinner, huh?
It was good. Yeah, I got
Well, it's
leftover
time
cheese
for bed,
stick.
guys.
I got leftover cheese stick.
That's awesome.
Can I eat it right now?
Sure, right before you go to bed.
Can you open it, please?
Sure, but first let me tuck you in. Go ahead.
I'm sleeping with my blanket.
Sure. After tuck you in. Good night, my little angels.
Do we have to go to bed?
Yes, I'm sorry.
This is how I show my love. I'm playing it in my mind because I'm blaming on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel does. I'm blaming on my own surprise. Blaming on my ADD, baby. Baby,